Oh boy, we're adding service to several new markets soon, and I don't have enough aircraft to handle the new routes. Can't wait for the new ones to come off the production line, and it might not make sense to actually own these aircraft. Where should I turn?
Dale, you can't afford to fail. You need AerSale. Purchase or lease the aircraft you need with flexible terms to fit your finances. AerSale specializes in Boeing and Airbus models in both passenger and freighter configurations.
Whew. Now I can flex my fleet and right-size our routes. And if we decide to lease, our customers will always enjoy the latest models and we can hold on to our cash. Now comes the next challenge. I'll need to work these additional aircraft into our maintenance schedule. But how? We're already overloaded.
Dale, you need maintenance and repairs from nose to tail. You need AerSale. AerSale's MRO experts and strategic facilities help your aircraft, engines, and parts reach their longest possible service life. From aircraft heavy maintenance and modification to structural and systems component MRO, they'll help you maximize flight time and minimize downtime.
With all the latest advancements, it's just not efficient for us to operate these aircraft any longer. Let's see if I can find a buyer.
Dale, your equipment has reached the end of the trail. You need AerSale. AerSale offers asset management and an array of end-of-life services, including aircraft storage, preservation, and disassembly. They also acquire surplus aircraft, engines, and components for their own inventories, helping you efficiently monetize your assets.
Finally, everything is under control and I can enjoy a little free time.
Dale, this is no fairy tale. This is life with AerSale. AerSale's integrated solutions help keep your aviation assets functional and profitable, from first flight to final flight.
It's simple. I have a one-stop source, get nonstop service, and no longer work tooth and nail. Thank goodness for AerSale.
Ready to learn from Dale? Contact AerSale.